Let us proceed with the first song.
The term millennial, a reason to live, individual freedom, pantyhose, junk mail, eating together as a family, placemats, American exceptionalism, dignity, free speech, each other, bottled water industry, cigarettes, patriarchy, cursive handwriting, DVDs, compact discs, iPods, newspapers, folding maps, landlines.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.